Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if for some reason you've got only the battery indicator and if you want to see the percentage on the status bar just like I have it here, all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, then let's scroll down and find the battery. And as you can see on the third position, we've got the battery percentage option, so let's tap. And here we've got three different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this one. I have next to the battery icon, and we can also set inside the battery icon. And as you can see, we've got the percentage, however, it is small enough to fit into the battery indicator. So it's up to you which option you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.